Good morning, class 6. Welcome to English class. I'm sure that you have completed the question answer of chapter 11 and 12. And today we are going to start chapter 13, The Tree. Basically, this is a play, and the story of this play revolves around the value of trees. So now let's see how we are going to understand the things which are related to trees. This inspiring play is written by Indira Ananthakrishnan. She is a renowned author of India, and in this play, she spreads light upon the value of trees, how we can conserve and protect our environment. So, the story of this play revolves around few characters like Vajanti. Vajanti is a young lady and she has migrated to a space station named Octoid. She says that the environment of Earth is becoming more and more polluted due to cutting down of trees. She threatens people that we should conserve and we should take care of our environment, but people do not take care of her. They do not notice her advice and they ignore, they keep on cutting down the trees. So, that is why she migrated to a space station which is moving around Earth. So, the name of the space station is Octoid. She has taken her kids and few animals like parrot, deer, lion, rabbit, monkey, peacock with her to that space station and trees also. So she is living in Octoid space station, and there is another space station is there, and the name of that space station is Pantoid. Pantoid is also a space station, and this space station is without trees. There is no tree on this space station. So now two space stations are described in this play. One is Octoid. Octoid is full of tree, and another one is Pantoid. Pantoid is without trees. So Jayanti with her kids and few animals live on that Octoid space station. This play is divided into 6 scenes. So let's see. First scene, curtain opens, पर्दा खुलता है, and on the stage, a space station Pantoid. On stage is a large TV screen. Plura, Ron, Zion, and Ura, dressed unusually, are about to watch TV. So now these are the name of kids: Plura, Ron, Zion, and Ura. They are dressed unusually, means they are not wearing usual or casual clothes. They are wearing some different kind of clothes, and they are about to watch TV. The eldest, Plura, adjusts the set, flashes and sounds, and the TV gets focused on Anjana and Dev singing and dancing with a rabbit and a monkey. So, these kids live on Pantoid. Pantoid is a space station which is without tree. They do not know about tree and they are about to watch TV. वो TV देखने वाले हैं. And what happened? A program in which Anjana and Dev are kids of Vajanti. They live on Octoid space station which is full of trees. So they are singing, dancing with the rabbit and monkeys. These children may also be dressed differently as they are Earth children migrated to another space station. उनके भी जो ड्रेसिंग सेंस है वो डिफरेंट हो सकती है. वाई इट कुड बी डिफरेंट? बिकॉज दे आर लिविंग इन अ स्पेस स्टेशन. Stage light brights on TV screen. Now Anjana and Dev, they are singing. Auntie Vajanti has a farm, yay, yay, you. And on that farm are mango trees, yay, yay, you. With a mango here and a mango there. Here a mango, there a mango. Everywhere a mango, mango. So here Anjana and Dev, they are singing song and they are describing about trees. So now they are watching this song is being played on TV, television. बच्चे जो हैं Pantoid space station के kids, they are watching it on TV. Now Ura says, Plura, what is a mango? Plura says, keep quiet, Ura. Listen and watch. We shall find out later. We will be able to find out later. So first, keep on listening the things. So why Ura and Plura were surprised? Because they have never listened anything about trees. Because Pantoid space station, they were living on Pantoid, and Pantoid was treeless space station. Song continues. Now apple to replace mango. Now kids were saying with a apple here and the apple there. So song continues. Now Ron says, apple? Jion, what could that be? What is this? वो क्या हो सकता है? What could that be? What is apple? I don't know. Zion, obviously this is some program relayed from a weird place. This is a program which is played from a weird place. So ये जो relayed means बेटा transmitted by radio signals or television broadcast. So from a weird means which is not common, unusual or strange. So किसी दूसरे place से program आ रहा है. That is why we do not know about this, because this program is not related to Earth space station. I cannot understand head or tail of the song. Let us watch it anyway. Chalo, let us watch anyway. If we are not able to understand anything what they are talking about. While they talk, children in the background keep dancing. Song continues. Guava to replace apple. Now they are talking about guava. Ura, guava? What a funny name. Wonder what it means. Anjana, Dev and or background में what is going on? Anjana, Dev and animals leave stage. Plura switches off the television. Now the kids, all 4 kids are amazed. They are surprised. What we have learned today? We don't know about these names. So Plura, tree. What is a tree? Must find out. Come along. Ura, Ron and Jion. Ron, how are we going to find out? How will we be able to come to know what is tree? What do we mean by tree? Who would know the meaning of tree? Who is going to tell us? So, Jian, idea. Jian says, idea, let us ask Grandpa. Exit children. Now, scene 1 is over and let's move to scene 2. Now, scene 2. Here we can notice that Grandpa is there. He is sitting on a rocking chair, eyes closed. Children come in. He opens his eyes and watches them curiously. He is very curious what they are going to talk about. Ron says, Grandpa, what is a tree? Zion, and a mango and an apple? So Grandpa is surprised. Grandpa, looking more and more surprised, where did you pick up these ancient words from? आप लोगों ने कहाँ सुने ये words? Because उनके planet पे तो कोई tree है ही नहीं. तो how they'll able to come to know about these words? Okay, so Grandpa is surprised. Plura, now Plura, she is the eldest. Plura says, the TV. When we switch it on, there was some outlandish song. Outlandish song means strange or extremely unusual. so outlandish song and dance program going on. It was all about trees. Two kids and animals were dancing and they were singing about trees. Grandpa, excited and alert. Possible. Let me hear the song. Children, can you sing it for me? Now Grandpa asks that, can you sing this song for me? I want to listen this. Plura, I suppose we can, a bit of it at least. Children sing first verse without background music. Ura. Now Ura says, you can see the costume of these kids who are living at Pantoid. I suppose we can, a bit of it at least. Ura, did you understand what we said? Grandpa nods. Grandpa सोचते हैं. Ron, great, then tell us. Grandpa, what the song is all about? Grandpa says, well, you see, long ago, Jion, oh no, not a story of long ago. Grandpa, we are not going to listen such kind of story. Please, Grandpa, I cannot help it. Jion, for the simple reason that a tree belongs to a time long ago. बहुत समय पहले की बात है जब ट्री थे. Now we do not have trees with us. So you have to listen this story. Plura, oh, what was a tree like? Grandpa, Plura asks to Grandpa, how does a tree look like? Grandpa says, tall and brown with soft green leaves. Grandpa describes how tree looks like. John, what did a tree give, Grandpa? Grandpa, it gave shade, birds nested in it, and animal rested underneath it. It gave fruits like mango, guava, banana, pear, and many more. The wood of the tree made fire to cook, houses to live in, and paper to write on. So in this paragraph, you can see that how valuable trees are to us. है ना बेटा? It gives us a deep message that we should protect, we should grow more and more trees. Now Ron says, Ron, sound like a fairy tale. What did the trees eat? It sounds like a fairy tale. Grandpa, they drank a lot of water. Ura, where did the water come from? Grandpa, under the ground. Plura, now because they have never watched such kind of things about trees, water cycle, nothing was there at that at that space station, so they were unaware of all these things. So under the ground, how did it get there from the sky? So now here Grandpa describes about water cycle. हमारी जो water cycle है आप सभी ने पढ़ी है ना? You all have read about water cycle, है ना? So here Grandpa talks about water cycle, photosynthesis from the sky. Jion, how did it get up there? Through the trees, from the sea. Plura, a wonderful story indeed. Really, it is a wonderful story. Ron, Grandpa, why do we not have all these here? Why we are deprived of all these things? Why? So, Grandpa, because our space station is highly scientific and technological. It is human-made and humans cannot make trees, water and other living creatures. We can protect and conserve all these things, but we cannot make. हम उनको बना नहीं सकते हैं. This space station is entirely scientific and technologically sound, but without trees. Ura, where can we find trees? Grandpa. अब वो grandpa से पूछती है Grandpa, where can we find trees? Where we can see trees? Grandpa, pointing to the sky, very far away in the space is a planet called Earth, where birds sing and peacocks dance, where fresh cool water rushes in the rivers and trees bear fruit. So here Grandpa describes about the planet Earth. Oh, Grandpa, we want to go Earth. Now, kids were curious. They want to visit planet Earth. They want to see trees. Grandpa, in that case, I shall get the spaceship ready for you. So, Grandpa makes all arrangement for kids so that they can visit Earth. He prepared spaceship for them. Children, oh thank you, Grandpa, thank you. Children dance around Grandpa. They start dancing around Grandpa. Now, scene 2 is over. Now, scene 3. Spaceship on stage. Because now kids are about to move to the planet Earth in a spaceship. So, in the scene, spaceship is there. Spaceship on stage, theme tune continues. As children get into it one by one, Grandpa watches smiling. Grandpa is happy that their kids are going to see planet Earth as well as trees. Children, goodbye, Grandpa. Grandpa, goodbye, children. Have a nice trip. Now, light sound of rocket taking off, then landing. So much sound was there. Sounds, lights turn on. Stage is bare except for spaceship standing on one side. Children get off and walk. Around theme tune playing softly. Now Ron is there. Ron speaks, is this the Earth? But there is nothing here. The whole place is so bare. Oh, shh, it's so hot. Grandpa was saying that you will find trees and you will find pleasant weather there, but it is not here. Ura, ush, it is so hot. Plura, where are the trees? Joan, where are the birds and dancing peacocks? Children look depressed. They leave the stage slowly, one by one. Now scene 4 is there. A mound of cactus on one side of the stage. The mound of cactus, a small hill where we can find cactus. You all have seen cactus, है ना? This is a thorny plant which needs less water to survive. जहाँ पर कम पानी होगा वहाँ पर भी ये survive कर लेते हैं. So the effect of a stream on the other. Enter children, they go towards the stream. Stream means एक पानी की तरह, small river was there. Ron, a stream. I'm really thirsty. I'm very thirsty. Plura, so are all of us. We all are also thirsty. Children gulp water with their palms. They swallow water. Ura, thu, spitting. Ura starts spitting. Horrid taste. Very bad taste. Horrid taste means terrible, frightful. Very terrible taste of water was there. Ron, it is like a bitter medicine. Plura, highly polluted water. Look at its dirty color. Joan, sniffing the air. The place is stinking. There is so much smell. It is stinking. Ura, I do not like the earth. Grandpa was wrong in describing it to us. Ron points to the cactus and goes close to it. Look at this. This is surely a tree. और कैक्टस की तरफ पॉइंट करते हुए रोन कहता है, look at this. I am sure that this is a tree. Ron is about to touch the cactus when two earth children, Meena and Arun, come running in. Do not touch it. Do not touch it. It is full of thorns. मीना कहती है प्लीज डू नॉट टच इट बिकॉज इट इज फुल ऑफ थॉर्न. इस पे कांटे लगे हुए हैं. यू विल गेट हर्ट. Ura, thorns, but Grandpa said trees had soft green something. Leaves, Arun says. Leaves. Yes, they say that when trees grew on the earth, they were tall and brown with soft green leaves. They bore flowers and fruits. अब अरुण जो है वो बताता है कि now trees are not available on the earth. We have these thorny plants only. So at that time we were able to find these trees like with soft leaves, fruits, flowers. But now all these things are not present here. Plura, tell us who you are first. So Plura बोलती है कि पहले you just introduce yourself. Who are you? Meena. I'm Meena and he is Arun. But you seem strangers out here. But you are stranger. Plura. Yes, we are. I'm Plura and they are Ron, Jion and Ura. We had come here from the space station Pantoid in search of trees. Arun. Now Arun says, poor you. It is no use. There are no trees on the earth and there is no beauty on the earth. Why there are no trees? Due to deforestation, है ना? Due to deforestation, they are not able to find any tree. And without tree, no beauty on the earth. If trees are not on the earth, so we cannot survive and no beauty. We cannot see any. Meena, now, wait a minute. What about Sarabai? Let us go to her. Maybe she will tell us something. Jion, who is Sarabai? Sarabai? Arun, you shall see her soon. Get going. So children, today we will read till here. Till scene 4 we have completed. Scene 5 and 6 we will complete in next part. So children, till here you understand that what is play about. In this play we have two space station, Octoid and Pantoid, and we talk about our mother Earth also, and we came to know about the value of trees, how we can conserve and how we have made our mother Earth so much polluted. So read the chapter and try to understand the things. Thank you. Remaining part we will complete in next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.